Today's lecture is the first in a series of lectures on AI that has been planned by the new center, City Eyes. Yeah, City Eyes is the name of the new center that the university has established um, with many good purposes in mind. But we need to have one common center in which all our experts in the field of AI get together, talk to each other, discuss, and produce creative things. So rather than right now, all this while, they are separated from each other in different kuliah. So this center is very important, and I'm very happy at the response from the audience. When I saw the faces of people attending today, they come from Singapore, they come from various universities, from one person coming from all the way from IIUM, traveling just to attend this lecture. So I hope that this spirit will continue because we plan to organize this series every month. So that is on and on. So we'll invite speakers from the university as from outside the university, even if there are visiting professors from other countries who are knowledgeable in the field, then inshallah we'll invite them to speak. So basically the City Eyes we hope it will emerge as a very dynamic center, creative center, which will not only benefit the university but also the whole nation. This is a very controversial field. I think what the world needs today is an ethical framework for the pursuit of study and research in AI. Inshallah, IIM has the resources. It's a matter of organization.
Okay, CTIs or Center for Tawhidic AI Studies is a center that investigates what is Tawhidic AI. And also we are divided into three parts, which is the academic part in terms of making sure all the disciplines in IIUM actually works together towards understanding what is artificial intelligence, Tawhidic artificial intelligence in particular. And then we have the research part, which is to eventually develop our own products and, for example, apps. But we also hope that we can build linkages with other champions in the country as well as in the region and global. That is our aspiration. For today's lecture series, I think it is important as a start, as an inaugural lecture, in the sense that it highlights that we need to develop critical thinking, which is, we get the comment just now that many of our graduates lack thinking skills, but there's also differences of opinions in terms of critical versus creative thinking. So it is important to understand how do we develop critical thinking, because this is something that we feel strongly, and I think it is evident from the questions after the session that critical thinking is very much alive in IIUM, because we have all the questions and comments regarding the topic for today.